Learn with Jingle Kids.
Why is the ocean water so salty? Let's find out. Hey everyone! Have you ever accidentally swallowed a mouthful of ocean water at the beach? How does it taste? It's super salty, right? But why is ocean water salty? If all the rivers flow into the ocean with fresh water, then why is ocean water salty? It all starts with rainfall. Rainwater is the purest form of water and has no salt in it. When it rains, the water flows over the rocks and mountains, picking up little bits of salt and minerals from the ground as it flows into rivers. Now, all the rivers around the world carry that slightly salty water all the way to the seas and oceans. Over millions of years, they have carried tons of salt. Now you must be wondering, when the river carries the salt and minerals and dump it into the seas and oceans, then why is only ocean and sea water salty, but rivers flowing into it are not? Rivers are not salty. This statement is not completely true. Yes, surprised? But this is the truth. They too have salt in them, but the quantity is so less that we are unable to sense the saltiness. And the reason why the quantity of salt in river water is too less is because they have flowing water. This means they are continuously replenished by fresh rainwater. And we already know the fact that rainwater doesn't contain any salt. I very well know what your next question is. Well, the way rivers and lakes get fresh rainwater, the same way oceans and seas are also getting, then why are they still so salty? When it rains, oceans and seas do get fresh water added to them, just like rivers and lakes do. But there are many reasons why the vast amount of water in the ocean is always salty, even with all the fresh rainwater adding to it. The first reason is oceans are huge. Imagine a tiny drop of fresh lemonade falling into a gigantic swimming pool full of salt water. You wouldn't be able to taste the difference because the pool is just too big. Oceans are much bigger than any pool. The small amount of fresh water from rain gets mixed into all the salty water and disappears. The second reason is evaporation of water and leaving behind non-volatile salts and minerals. Because oceans are closed basins without outlets to a lower zone, unlike rivers which flows from higher elevations or down the hill, the water that evaporates from the seas and oceans leave the non-volatile salts and minerals behind. Oh, a new word, volatile. Volatile is something that can easily turn into gas and evaporate in the air to form clouds, like perfume or nail polish remover. Perfume in the bottle is liquid. The moment you spray it, it changes into gas and evaporates. So non-volatile is completely opposite. It means something that doesn't easily turn into gas or evaporate into the air. Examples: sugar, salt, and most of the rocks. They don't float away easily like perfume or water vapor. Now, the ocean is essentially a closed basin where water is continuously recycled by evaporation, but the salt is left behind because it has nowhere to go, and it is non-volatile. Over billions of years, this process led to the high salinity or saltiness levels found in the ocean or sea water today. So, That's all for this class. We'll see you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to Jingle Kids.